Alright, what's up guys? My name's Charlie. You've probably seen my car on the Fitment Industry channel before. It's the green Mini Cooper. Currently rebuilding it. Just got this new intake in from ECS. Let me pop this here box open. Alright, so I went with, I'm gonna butcher the pronunciation, but it's a Kohlfaser Lufttechnik intake. It's a full carbon intake, straight from ECS. The whole thing is carbon fiber. Really beautiful weave. They did an awesome job with this. As far as I know, will be, I think, one of the first ones in the US to have this on their car. So shout out to ECS for making this killer product. They did an absolute insane job. Like I said, it is a full carbon intake. I think this thing only weighs, honestly, 3 to 4 pounds with the cone filter in it right now. So
what kind of horsepower did they say?
It increases torque by 6 foot-pounds and then increases horsepower by 4 horsepower at the wheel. And that was done testing on a stock N14 motor, so I'm really interested to see how it does on mine. Should have a little bit of fun. I guess you can hear the turbo in the intake. You'll hear it suck in like a vacuum. Really excited to run it. Shout out to ECS for this awesome product.
So we decided to put in a barbed wire fence. As of late, it seems like we've had a few more haters, as they would say. So this is where we keep them. That's Eric. Eric, say hi. Let me out. Let me out. And that's Cobb.
What are you doing time for, bro?
You know, just a lot of hard stuff, man. You know, like just hanging out. Like, I don't know. I'm just a real criminal, and that's why they needed to put up this fence. And you know, I don't know.
That's legit. Can you climb it for the viewers and see what happens when we climb a barbed wire fence?
You know, I could give her a whirl. I don't know if you guys really want me to do that. Might be a little reckless, but you know, my middle name's Reckless now.
You would be shocked at how much barbed wire actually isn't that much more expensive than just putting in a fence. So we decided that if we're gonna put a black fence in our black building, we're gonna put some barbed wire fence around it to make it look really cool.
Is it car parts?
No.
Is it?
It's
those look
Qdoba.
like chips. Ooh. Yeah. I guess that's just as cool as car parts.
It's actually too heavy for the handles, so
they're actually turbos. Yoga mats. We do yoga here too. We're fitness enthusiasts and car enthusiasts in one. Chips.
can't forget the chips.
So many options.
Right?
7 gallons of sour cream. Yep, we're gonna need all that. 13 salsas.
We got the pico, we got the hot, we got the mild, we got the corn, everything.
So everybody is pretty anxious to eat here. They're all lined up. When we have food days around here, it's like basically wild animals.
A regular spoon would get it.
Hey, everybody file in. Yeah, you tell them, Ben. Sean, get in here. What are you doing way back there? Everybody circle around so you can hear him. All the way around. You won't lose your spot line.
This is the guy that got us the food today.
And I know everybody, and it's still like nerve-wracking. You guys like, just keep staring at me, and it's just like. Anyway, so we got the queso here, but keep this a little cheesy right now, but no. Okay.
Start on the right foot.
Yeah. All right. So basically, even though I think I've known most of you before you even started working here, but overall, I think over the last 2 years, you guys helped me out a lot. Probably a little more than you guys even know. It's not just even in like the car aspect or getting things done on the car that need to be done, especially like last minute, especially banker. I think with some of you, I feel like I'm a burden. That's just what I feel. I think even with Alex, I think I bug him like every day, like, hey, wheels, sizes, like I need this, need that. But yeah, I don't know, you guys always help me out. It's never been like a moment where I felt like it was kind of like, dude, like get away or stop bugging us. Never been like hassled or treated any different. I don't know, I think you guys make me feel like I'm part of the family. So I think just you guys don't get recognized enough for the stuff you guys do even behind the scenes. So I figured I'd get you guys some food. I don't know, treat you to something because I feel like I've been treated a lot. So it's just like my respects back to you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, man.